Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and well, we have some rumors that Microsoft has prepared and updated its images for release of the October 2020 update today. And according to a few people that are close to Microsoft, we are only a few days away from the official release of the October 2020 update. That's version 20H2 to seekers, because that's the way it's going to work. So that means that we are very close. One of the things that will happen is that if you go into all settings and you go into update and security, if you're a seeker in the next few days, don't be surprised to see that a new feature update is available for 20H2. So this is apparently a few days away. It's not going to be at the end of the month. It could be as early as this week. So we're going to, of course, continue observing the situation here. The other thing also is, remember that in the Windows page, the Microsoft page for Windows 10, you have the downloads for Windows that you can download. So you can actually get that image from Microsoft. Here I have this page, which is Download Windows 10 page. So you'll have the update, May 2020 update that it says right now. When the release gets pretty much official, this page will change and we'll show you Windows 10 October 2020 update. So that is going to be interesting to see. It also means that the media creation tool will also enable you to download the latest version. One of the things that I would suggest is that if you have an older image, like the May 2020 update, or even an update from 2019, keep that image and create a new one on a separate device, so that you have the possibility to go back into an older version if for any reason something was wrong. But for that, we're a few days away, according to a couple of websites and a couple of people very close to Microsoft. So if you were wondering, within the next week we might be there, and as soon as we know and we see that there's a release, I will be posting the information. And as soon as they have updated this page, I will post the updated page for the for the October 2020 update, 20H2, and all of that. So it's almost here. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.